In this question, you have to identify the organisms which are known as chief producers in the ocean. Option A, dinoflagellates. It is incorrect because dinoflagellates are important part of the marine ecosystem and contribute to primary production, but they are not considered the primary or the chief producers. Option B, diatoms. Now, diatoms are considered the primary or the chief producers in the ocean because they are abundant, especially in the colder and the nutrient rich waters, and are responsible for a significant portion of the photosynthesis that occurs in the marine environment. And so, in this way, they play an important role in the marine food chain, supporting a variety of marine life. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, euglenoids. It is also incorrect because euglenoids are photosynthetic organisms, but they are commonly present in the freshwater ecosystem and so do not significantly contribute to oceanic productivity. Option D, cyanobacteria. Now, while cyanobacteria, that is the blue-green algae, do play an essential role in the nitrogen fixation and primary production, especially in the nutrient poor regions of the ocean, but they are not considered as the chief producers. Hence, it is also